What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to make some special release Jones pineapple cream soda ice cream rolls. It should be pretty good. I've only had a couple of these Jones soda, but not this particular flavor. So let's give it a try. That's alright. Really sweet though. Alright guys, what we have in here is cream and sweetened condensed milk. If you guys are ever wondering what this machine is called, it's a Tfcfl fried yogurt and ice cream machine from Amazon. I love this little machine. One thing I don't like about it, doesn't get too cold around here or here, so they say it's for industrial use, but I don't know about that. Well, let's see if I can get these to roll. Doesn't look like it. Nope, doesn't look like it. It's alright though. I got one. A little bit of whipped cream. Sprinkles. A little bit of Hershey's chocolate syrup. Alright guys, let's go ahead and give this a taste. Pretty good. Don't really taste a lot of pineapple though. Really good though. Well guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below. Have a good one.